guys, my name is Ryan. I'm the Program and Operations Manager at the Cincinnati Tool Bank, and today I'm going to show you how to put together a little mirrored vanity box with a sliding lid on top. So these come in a really handy little kit donated by the Home Depot Foundation. They come with an already nice set of instructions that's laid out here, but we figured it'd be nice to do a little how-to video for you. So the only tool that you'll actually need in order to construct the box is just a hammer. So out here I've got a couple different parts of the kit laid out for you to see. So these are the pieces to the box itself. There's two different sizes of nails, a couple decorative stickers, and then the heart-shaped mirror sticker as well too. So the first step that we're gonna do, once you guys have sorted out all your pieces, is to use the wood blocks here. So we're gonna find the two wood blocks that have the pre-drilled holes in them. So if you look closely, you'll see each of these has two little holes, and on the back side, it's got channels here, and those are actually the channels that the lid is gonna slide in and out. So take one of these first, it doesn't matter which one, find the side that has the holes in it, then you're gonna take this other block here, and we're gonna start actually applying the nails. So what we're gonna do first, take both blocks and line this one up so it's just below that channel, just like that, if you can see. So you're gonna line it up, make sure it's nice and flush with this other piece when you hold them together. And what we're gonna do, it also is nice if you have somebody helping you with this project. Hold them together like this, set it on the ground, that way you have a nice surface to rest it on. Make sure they're all lined up. Then we're gonna take one of our longer nails, put it in the hole, try to push it in as far as you can first, and then once you've done that, take your hammer and just slowly start hitting it in. Alright, now we've got one nail down. So again, make sure that you're not blocking this channel at all with this piece of wood. So now that that's lined up, check again to make sure it's nice and flush. Then we're gonna get our other big nail, pop it in, and again, try to press it in as far as you can. Then take your hammer and then drive it all the way in. All right, so the first side of the box is complete and up. So now what we're gonna do is do the exact same thing with this other piece that has the channel. So now it's nice because you can just set it flat on the table or the ground, whatever you're working on. Then you can take this other piece, find the two holes in there, and again, line it up with this side, make sure it's nice and flush right here, also on the bottom, and make sure again you're not blocking this channel here because that's where the lid's gonna go. So hold those pieces tight, take our other long nail, and again press it in as far as you can, then take your hammer, drive that one in, and now you should have just one long nail left, and that's gonna go in this last hole right here. So again, press it in as far as you can, then use your hammer to finish it. All right, so we now have the front and the sides of our box put together. So the next step that we're gonna do is we're actually gonna take the bottom of the box and we're gonna attach that. So what we're gonna do now is set this on the table with the channels down, and then this is our bottom piece. So you see it has 4 holes for nails here. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna lay that flat on top, and again, just make sure all of your corners line up, and then the sides as well. So make sure it's nice and flush on all the sides, and then hold it nice and tight. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna take our little nails and do the same thing. We're gonna press them all in, Okay, now keep a hand on it, and now we can just take our hammer and finish driving all those. So when you drive these nails, make sure that you drive them all the way so they're not sticking out at all. They're gonna stick out just a tiny little bit from the head of the nail, but we want them as far in as possible. So now we've almost got a complete box. We've got the front, we've got the sides, and we've got the bottom as well. And the last piece here is gonna be the back. So here's our back. It's got the heart shape here, as well as 4 more holes. And we've got a few more nails left as well too. So what we're gonna do with this is do exactly what we did with the bottom. We're just gonna rest it on top and then make sure, starting with the corners, that it's completely lined up around all the sides. So nice and flush here, nice and flush there, nice and flush there. So while keeping a hand on it, go ahead and take 4 more of the little nails. Do that again. Once you've got all those in, then you can start driving them with the hammer. So again, do a little check, make sure they're all in all the way. And now we've got almost a complete box. So we've got the front, the sides, the bottom, and the back. Now the last thing is the lid. So that's just gonna slide right into these 2 channels here that we left open. Goes right on in, just like that. Easy access. So now is the time where if you would like to paint or color your box, you would want to do it now. Because once you put the mirror sticker on, it's going to be really hard to kind of paint around that. So I would recommend painting it at this stage, and that way when you're done, you can then peel off the sticker and then put it over the top of the paint. And then if you want to, you can use these fun little stickers to decorate it, but you can really decorate it however you'd like to and make it, you know, unique and individually yours. So that's our little mirrored vanity box, and I hope you guys have fun putting it together.